Performance Max is an AI-powered campaign that helps you improve performance in real time to get more conversions and value from your budget across Google channels. Most retailers advertising with Google are already using Performance Max and seeing great results. Beyond retail, advertisers who adopt Performance Max see an average increase of 27% more conversions or value at a similar CPA or ROAS. If you want to scale the performance of your campaign or improve budget use, here are 5 things you can do today. Number 1. Make sure you have creative assets of all types and sizes. Maximizing the number and variety of assets helps you engage customers more effectively and show ads that resonate with them based on their unique context, needs, and preferences. Your goal should be to improve the ad strength of the asset group to excellent. Click on the link to watch a video on how to use generative AI to create assets for your campaign. Number 2, check if you have set a target cost per acquisition or a target return on ad spend for your campaign. Overly constraining your campaigns by setting too restrictive a target can impact how many auctions your campaign can participate in and how many conversions it can drive. With the new Target Pacing Insights, you can easily track progress against your CPA and ROAS goals. You can understand if a campaign is on track to deliver results within the expected bid target and get explanations when it is not. Number 3. Search themes are a way for you to provide insights that only you know about your customers and business. This helps your Performance Max campaigns serve on placements that may not be obvious to the AI, but where you expect to drive good results. Here are a few examples where search themes can be especially helpful. Your landing page does not have a lot of details about the products and services you offer. You've just expanded into a new market or launched a new product or service. Tip: after you've added search themes to your asset groups, you will soon be able to monitor how many conversions they've driven by looking for search themes in your Search Terms Insight card. Number 4, use automatically created assets and the final URL expansion feature to boost search inventory results in Performance Max. This helps you improve the variety of your search text assets to create more relevant ads for customers and send them to better landing pages on your website. Automatically created assets allow your Performance Max campaign to use content from your landing pages to automatically create new text assets for your search ads. Final URL expansion will help your ads to show up on more searches that have a strong likelihood of leading to conversions, and it uses landing pages on your website to match your ads to more relevant queries. Want to know more about how to use these features? Click the link to watch a detailed video on automatically created assets and final URL expansion. You can now use URL rules to further refine the list of pages you send traffic to. When used with the URL expansion feature turned on, the campaign uses your rule as a signal to expand to more relevant pages. When used with the URL expansion feature turned off, the campaign will only send traffic to landing pages that satisfy the rule. Tip: you can check the landing page report for the list of URLs that your campaign sent traffic to. You can also exclude any pages that you don't want to send traffic to. Last but not least, number 5. Audit your account and campaign level exclusion settings to make sure they are still relevant and necessary. While these settings give you more control over where your ads can show, exclusions can limit your campaign performance. You can audit your display and video content exclusions in the Content Suitability Center. Also, you can audit your account level negative keywords under Account Settings. If you have any questions, or for more information, please visit the Google Ads Help Center.